Yeah, greetings guys. I'm making here a papaya leaf smoothie and cucumbers, right? Right here, the papaya leaves. This is an excellent detoxifier for the liver, the gallbladder, the blood, and it also cleans out the colon. Cleans the colon, makes you go to the bathroom. There's another one I made. It's a smoothie. This is the juice. I'm sorry. This is the juice. I made with cucumber. When I'm making up, I'm going to show you. So guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican. Look at that chlorophyll right there. Guys, chlorophyll is life. Okay? There's a statement that says where there's light, there's life. For light is life and life is light. Okay? So every green plant, any tree, every leaf that is green carries life because it carries a chlorophyll molecule. The human blood and the juice that you're looking at right here is the same is equally the same, except in the center of this green juice is magnesium. In the center of the blood is iron. This is why when you're lacking in, the doctor tell you you're lacking in iron. But it's not iron. It's chlorophyll. It's magnesium that you're lacking. Right? It's really magnesium because the only place you get it from is this. So taking supplement not gonna work. Right? Why? Why is that? Because when you have what green plants literally does, they neutralize acid through the electrons that they carry. Okay? They neutralize the acid from the foods and metabolic waste that your body goes through every day. Right? So, if you're not eating plants or drinking the juice, guys, you're gonna have a problem later. Okay? So yeah, there's a lot of people. I want to tell you guys something. A lot of people that see my stuff on the YouTube, internet, and they don't show up here for me to talk to them. Guys, you cannot just show up in my place and expect me to drop what I'm doing and come speak to you. You have to make an appointment. I made that abundantly clear. You have to make an appointment. And you have to also compensate me for that appointment because I have a lot of people here who don't have money. Right? So a lot of people come and they treat me like they go into the supermarket. They're just gonna pick up something, put a couple of bucks in the cash register, and the problem is solved. Guys, whatever your help is worth to you, that's what I'm worth to you. So if you come here and your help don't worth nothing to you, that's how you're gonna present yourself, because I'm not gonna help you. All right? I'm not doing this for nothing. I need to eat, and I help other people. I wonder if you understand that, guys. Because I had a guy come here today. He just showed up. He just show up here and expect me to help him and talk to him. He never make an appointment. He just show up. So anyway, guys. Green plants is the secret of life. It's the secret of everything. Everything. Because your body has to make stem cells. Alright? Your stomach, when your body digests food, that food has to be at a pH of 8.4. Okay? The ocean is alkaline at 8.4. So if the food you're eating is not alkaline, you're in trouble. You're going to be in trouble later on. Because the body is an electric grid. I tell people this all the time. Your body is literally an electric grid. And And if you're consuming food that does not have a contract with your body, what do you think is going to happen later? So all the food you're eating doesn't have a contract with your body. All right? So all of these so-called diseases that you see all around you is coming from just that one thing. You're eating the wrong foods. And it's by design. That was set up that way. You understand? You are eating the wrong food, guys. And the sooner you understand that, the better off you will be. And the healthier you will, because you will stop eating the crap. Some people want to eat those things in the supermarket. I can't knock it. If that's what you want to eat, do my best, knock yourself out. Or knock yourself right out. But I know what's going to happen later. You're going to be looking for somebody to help you. Because when you go into the hospital, they're going to diagnose you. They're going to help you to stay alive. But they will not solve the problem. And I want to know something. Let me ask a question. Why don't you guys that comes to the Dominican Republic, you want to pay a girl $500-600 for 1 minute of pleasure, but you would never give me $300? You would never give it to me for your own health. But you will come here and blow money on these women. You will blow a lot of money on them. You know? And why is it you don't have confidence in your own people? You don't have confidence in your own people. And this is why a lot of you sick and you suffer. You rather go to the sorcerer and get his witchcraft stuff and then choose another way. See what I'm saying? So when you come to the Dominican Republic looking for me, don't come expecting me to just give you, I'm not a doctor, don't come expecting me to give you a prescription for all your problems. Alright? You gotta make an appointment. We gotta talk, we gotta sit down, discuss whatever problems you have, and then figure out what we can do. But you have to compensate me for all that. You understand? You have to compensate me. So don't come here thinking what I do. I'm not a herbalist, first of all. The herbalists don't know nothing. Herbalists don't know nothing. The last one that I know of, they killed him the other day. They murdered him. Okay? Everybody else is a fraud. All they doing is copying his work. When that man was locked up in jail, no one in the black community went down there to see him. No one. Alright? So all you guys are responsible for his death. If 100 of you have gone down there, that man would have been alive today. Okay, you know what? You guys are all selfish. Only for your damn self. Alright? You want everything for free. You want everything for free. But don't come here expecting nothing from me. The guys come and they spend so much money on these women. For what? For 2 seconds of pleasure. But their health, please, they will never give me $1. You know? So, I'm not here to help the black community. The black community don't help themselves and they don't help each other. And they never help the one man that everybody is using to get rich. They're using his formula, they're using his everything that he talk about. I ain't no different. And I'm not as famous as him. So nobody know about me. So wait till you find out who I am. Wait till you see what I can do. Alright? Wait till you see what I can do. With the help of God. You understand? So, I was saying, guys. This is a papaya leaf smoothie. Papaya leaf juice. This is very, very bitter. I don't know if you can get this in the States, maybe some places. It's very bitter. Liver, kidney, gallbladder, they love when you look at the plant, right, you see it has a green fluid in it. It looks green, right? You know what that is? Magnesium. Chlorophyll. You know what? Look at the trees, right? During the fall. Look at the trees during the fall. Winter come around. What happens to the leaves on the tree? They go from green to yellow to brown until they fall off the tree. Like this one. You see this one? See it's a little yellow? Alright? Because of the heat. Okay? That's the secret right there. See that?